Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of life's biggest mysteries: what happens after we leave this world? Two ancient Indian texts, the Garuda Purana and the Katha Upanishad, have explored this question for thousands of years, offering profound wisdom about life, death, and the soul's journey. Stick around to discover their timeless teachings, and let's see how they can inspire us today. The Garuda Purana is an incredible text, narrated by Garuda, the divine eagle of Lord Vishnu, and compiled by the sage Vyas. It's way more than just a guide for death rituals, it's a roadmap for living a meaningful life and understanding what comes next. In its first part, called the Purba Khand, the Garuda Purana teaches us how to live righteously. It's all about practicing virtues like kindness and honesty, meditating, giving to others, and staying true to daily ethical duties. These ideas actually align with modern mindfulness practices, which show that positive behaviors can boost our mental and physical well-being. The Purana also dives into rituals, fasting, and purification practices. These encourage discipline and focus, kind of like training the mind. Then, in the Uttarakhandad, it gets even more fascinating. It describes the soul's journey after death, the impact of our actions, or karma, and the possibilities of rebirth or even liberation. It's like a cosmic guidebook for the soul. Now, let's talk about the Katha Upanishad, one of the earliest and most philosophical Upanishads. This text tells the story of Nachiketa, a young seeker who has a deep conversation with Yam, the god of death. Their dialogue is all about the big questions: what is the soul? Can we achieve immortality? The Katha Upanishad teaches that our body is temporary, but the Atman, our soul, is eternal. It says true liberation comes not just from good deeds but from self-realization, understanding our deepest self. Unlike the Garuda Purana's practical advice, this text is all about diving deep into spiritual knowledge. It's like a meditation on what it means to be truly free. So, how do these texts fit together? The Garuda Purana is like a life manual, guiding us through ethical living and the soul's journey after death. The Katha Upanishad, on the other hand, is a philosophical gem, urging us to seek knowledge and self-realization. But here's the beautiful part: both texts agree on some core truths. The soul is eternal, our actions shape our path, and liberation is possible through wisdom and good living. These ideas invite us to reflect on our lives, our choices, and our place in the universe. They're not just ancient stories, they're tools for living with purpose and peace. For the Garuda Purana, M.N. Dutt's or Bibek Debru's work are magnificent. For the Katha Upanishad, Swami Prabhavanand and Frederick Manchester, Eknath Easwaran or Swami Gambhirananda's work are also excellent. That's it for today's journey into ancient wisdom. What do you think? How can these teachings inspire the way we live today? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. If you enjoyed this, please like, comment, and subscribe the channel.